Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangothri again. So today we are going to look at how to do Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana B. There is already the variation of Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana A. You can see in the description box where you get the link of Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana A. So let's begin our practice of Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana B. Before that, if you are new visitor to our channel, do subscribe and click a bell icon, get the notification from our channel. Let's begin our today practice. So let's begin with Samasthiti. Come to center of your mat. Now slowly legs apart. Place your left palm on the hip and slowly with shifting the balance to your left leg. Now slowly raise your right leg up to your chest. So place your right palm on the knee and twist your leg to the side. Okay, so if you feel difficulty to balance, you can take a support of the wall. Just hold. You can feel a nice stretch on your hip joint and on your side of your thigh. Let's hold for a few times this posture where you get your leg more flexible. Okay, same way, raise up and turn your knee to the side. Just focus at one point, balance easily and stay there. So where you feel a nice stretch and a nice kind of pain on your inner thigh, don't make your balancing leg bended, just straight and focus. Now slowly, same way, center and down. So if you feel your legs are paining, just make some rotation, which I will going to show you now. Leg up, side and make a circle like this. Circle like this, so where you get a nice open to your leg. Same way, same count on the opposite circle as well. I did 3 counts and I did opposite 3 circles as well. Do this easily, you will get into the easy posture. Let us try holding the hand to the big toe. Now slowly raise your leg up, lock your big toe and turn your leg to the side and hold this pose easily with the balance. Before raising the leg, make sure to shift your weight to the balancing leg where you can easily balance. Once you are done with this, and slowly stretch your leg. Okay, raise your chest and hold. So make sure to make your down leg straight. Don't bend your down leg at all. If you want, you can bend your upper leg which you are holding with your hand. You can bind that one and stay as long as possible. For some people, it's very hard to lock up the big toe and make the knee straight. Let us use the strap for those. Now slowly take the strap and place the strap on your foot. Okay. Now slowly turn your leg side and raise your leg up. Okay. Hold here. Don't turn your hip. Don't bend your knee. Stay here according to your flexibility. You can just use the straps. If your legs are more tight, just lengthen up the straps. If your leg is slightly tight, you can just make sure to use the strap little more closer. But don't bend your down leg. Just open up your chest while you are in the pose. Even you can use the wall. When you're holding up your legs, you can use the wall support by holding up on the hands. Let us try this with complete straightening the leg forward and to the side, the advanced variation. Now slowly balance, shift the weight and make your knee stretcher and turn your legs to the side. Just stay here, raise the chest. Hold, 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 hold. Now slowly down. Slowly relax your hands and relax. This is an advanced version where you are stretching up the Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana 1 and turning your body to Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana 2. Let us try to turn our neck to opposite side by holding up the asana. Okay, same way, raise up, lock your big toe and turn your leg up and turn your neck to the side. Hold, raise your other hand up and relax. So just hold as much as possible and stay the pose. Let us try to hold the pose without any instruction. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy doing of Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Let me know how is the asana practicing with me in the comment section. See you on next video sooner with other asana. Till then, take care and namaste. Keep smiling.